So here's how to add buy one get one free on your Shopify store. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Chrome browser. After that, here you have to simply log into your Shopify account. Once you are logged into your Shopify account, then go to the apps section, and here in the search bar you have to simply type in buy one get one free. Then here at this page from the apps, you have to simply click on this app. Once you click on this app, now it will take you to the another page. As you can see, I already have installed the app on my Shopify store. Here you will be able to view the option of install. You have to click on it. Once you have successfully installed the app onto your Shopify store, then here you have to buy any of their plans. After buying their any plan, you will be successfully able to add it to your Shopify store. So that's how to add buy one get one free on your Shopify store.